Jai Swaminarayan students, today we are going to discuss about a decimal to octal number. What is a octal number? It contains 8 digits. Octal number શું છે તો એની પાસે 8 digits છે. In a binary number there is a 2 digits. આપણે આગળ ભણ્યા છીએ કે બાઇનરી નંબરમાં કેટલા ડિજિટ છે? 2. કયા કયા? 0 અને 1. In a binary number there is only 2 digits, 0 and 1. In an octal number it has a 8 digits. Octal number માં કેટલા ડિજિટ છે? 8. કયા કયા? તો 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In an octal number 0 to 7 numbers are used. Octal number કયા નંબર યુઝ કરે છે? 0 to 7. ઓકે, હવે તમને વર્કબુકમાં ઘણા વિદ્યાર્થી પ્રશ્ન પૂછે છે કે સર વોટ ઇઝ ધ મીનિંગ ઓફ ધીસ? Okay, so the first, second and third question, here is writing down 10, here is a 2, here is a 8, here is a 16. The meaning of this is the decimal number. આ કયો નંબર છે? ડેસિમલ નંબર છે. અહીંયા પછી blank આપેલી છે. Okay, here is given a blank, means this is the binary number. આ કયો નંબર છે? binary number. And you have to convert this decimal number to binary. તમારે આ decimal number નું binary conversion કરવાનું છે. Now next there is given 8 out of bracket, means this is the octal number. આ કયો નંબર છે? octal. And this decimal is to be converted into octal. In a third bracket there was written 16, means this is the hexadecimal number. આ કયો નંબર છે? hexadecimal. We will discuss this hexadecimal number in a next. Okay, so this decimal is to be converted into hexa. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the octal number system. Suppose I have given, we will discuss this with an example. I have given 18 and this 18 is to be converted into octal. આ 18 નંબર આપેલા છે એનું આપણે octal કરવાનું છે. આવું આપેલું છે, this is given, means this is the decimal and it is to be converted into octal. અને આપણે શેમાં લઈ જવાના છે? octalમાં લઈ જવાના છે. Okay, so first write here 18. અહીંયા કેટલા લખવાના? 18. બાઇનરીની અંદર આપણે અહીંયા કેટલા લખતા હતા? 2 લખતા હતા. In a binary number we will write here 2. But to make the octal number we have to write here 8. અહીંયા આપણે કેટલા લખવાના છે? 8 લખવાના છે. Now divide this 18 by 8. તો કેટલા આવશે? 2. કેટલા આવશે? 2. ઓકે, જો હવે રિમાઇન્ડર કેટલું બચે છે? વોટ ઇઝ ધ રિમાઇન્ડર? અહીંયા ખાસ તમારે રિમાઇન્ડરમાં જ ધ્યાન રાખવાનું છે. What is the remainder? It's a 2. Okay, this remainder is to be written here only. Okay, now see here, this 2 is written at here. અહીંયા 2 લખવાના છે. Now see here, this 2 is less than 8. Okay, in a binary conversion we have discussed that where you have to stop when this number is less than this number. Okay, means 8 is greater than 2 or 2 is less than 8. We have to stop here. Okay, so stop here, take this 2 out. આ 2 ને બહાર લખી દો. Make the arrow from down to up. This is our MSB, this is our LSB. So what is the octal of 18? It's a 2 2. It's not a 22, it's a 2 2. Just remember that, don't call it 2 2. હવે અહીંયા આપણે રિમાઇન્ડર લખીએ છીએ તો એ રિમાઇન્ડર કેવી રીતે લખવાના છે? So first 18, here is a 8, so 8 2s are 16, here is a 2. This remainder 2 is to be written at here. આ જે 2 વધ્યા એ આપણે અહીંયા લખવાના છે. Okay, again we are going to discuss another example. આપણે એક બીજો એક્ઝામ્પલ જોઈશું તો વધારે ખ્યાલ આવશે. બરાબર, સપોઝ કે મારી પાસે કોઈ એક નંબર છે 49. I have one number 49 and this is to be converted into octal. આને આપણે શેમાં લઈ જવો છે? octalમાં લઈ જવો છે. So to make the octal, repeat the procedure. અહીંયા કેટલા લખવાના 49. Write down here 49. અહીંયા 8. કેટલા લખવાના છે 8. So again divide 49 by 8. What will be the answer? 6. What will be the answer? 6. What is the remainder? It's a 1. Okay, this one is to be taken here. આ one ને આપણે અહીંયા લખી દઈશું. Okay, this is written at here. Now here is a 6, so put here 6. See here, this number is less than 8. આ નંબર કેટલા છે 8 કરતા નાના છે, તો stop here, take it out. Okay, so show the arrow from down to up. This is the MSB, this is the LSB. What is the answer? 6-1. What is the answer? 6-1. So what is the octal of 49? It's a 61. Take another example. 109, and this is to be converted into 8. આ 8 ને આપણે octal માં લઈ જવાના છે. This number is to be converted into octal. So put here, અહીંયા યાદ રાખવાનું છે 109. What is it here? It's a 8. Compulsory ભૂલ્યા વગર તમારે અહીંયા 8 મૂકવાના છે. Now this 109 is divided by 8. What will be the answer? So 109 is divided by 8. The answer is 13. What is the answer? 13. Okay, what will be the remainder? 4. What will be the remainder? Here remainder is a 4. Okay, so this 4 is be written at here. Here we have to write this 13. હવે અહીંયા જોવાનું કે this number is to be written at here 13. Here is a 8. So 13 divided by 8. Here is a 1. What is the remainder? Remainder is a 5. What is the remainder? 5. Okay, so here is a 1, here is a 1, here is a 5. This 5 is taken out. Okay, so what is the answer? 154. So the 109 number is given. Its octal is a 154. બરાબર છે. અહીંયા આપણે હવે સ્ટોપ થઈ જવાનું. કેમ? Because this 1 is less than 8. આ 1 કેવા છે 8 કરતા નાના છે. બરાબર. આગળ એક બીજો એક્ઝામ્પલ જોઈશું. 2 to 5. This 2 to 5 is to be converted into octal. આ 2 to 5 છે એનું આપણે octal કરવાના છીએ. So first write here 2 to 5. It is here is a 8. First divide this 2 to 5 by 8. 2 to 5 ને 8 વડે ડિવાઇડ કરો તો 2 to 5 divided by 8. What is the answer? It's a 28. What is the answer? 28. What will be the remainder? 1. What is the remainder? 1. અહીંયા આપણે રિમાઇન્ડર અલગથી લખવાના છે. બરાબર. So this one is to be written at here. Okay, this 28 to be written at here. So put here 28. Here is a 8. Again 28 divided by 8. કેટલા આવશે? 3. What is the remainder? 4. So here is a 3. Here is a remainder 4. Now this 3 is less than 8. So put here 3. What is the answer? 3, 4, 1. Okay. In this way, we can convert the given decimal number into octal. Okay. Now we will discuss another example next. Suppose I have given number 159.28 and this number is to be converted into octal. આ નંબરને આપણે ઓક્ટલમાં લઈ જવાના છે, બરાબર. તો ઓક્ટલમાં લઈ જતા પહેલા અહીંયા આપણે આટલા સુધીનું જ કન્વર્ઝન શીખ્યા છીએ. 0.28 નું શું? તો આગળ જેમ આપણે બાઇનરીમાં કન્વર્ઝન કર્યું હતું એના બે ભાગ પાડી દેવાના 159.28. Make the two parts of this number whole number and fractional number. 159 plus 0.28. First we are going to convert 159. પહેલા આપણે 159 નું કન્વર્ઝન કરીશું જે આગળની મેથડ પ્રમાણે જ કરવાનું છે, બરાબર. સો ફર્સ્ટ 159, this is divided by 8. So put here 159 divided by 8. So what will be the answer? 19. What will be the answer? 19. So okay, take what is the remainder? It's a 6. What is the remainder? It's a 6. This 6 is to be written at here. Here we have to write 19. Again this number is not less than this, so we have to make the next procedure. Here is a 8. 19 divided by 8 કેટલા આવશે? 2. What will be the remainder? It's a 3. Okay, so put here 3. This to be we have to return at here. This 2 taking out. So here is a 2. આ બેને આપણે બહાર ખેંચી લેવાના. કેમ? Because this number is less than 8. Okay, so what will be the answer? 236 point. બરાબર છે? 236 point. Next we are going to convert a 0.28. 0.28 ને હવે આપણે આગળ કન્વર્ટ કરવાના છે, તો અહીંયા જેમ ડિવાઈડ કરતા હતા એમ આને મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવાના. તો 0.28 multiplied by 8. What will be the answer? 0.28 multiplied by 8 is 2.24. કેટલા થાય છે? 2.24. અહીંયા ધ્યાન રાખવાનું છે 2 plus 0.24. This 2 will be written at here. આ 2 ને આપણે અલગથી લખી દેવાના છે. આગળની પ્રોસિજરમાં જઈશું. કેટલા બચ્યા છે? 0.24. This 0.24 is multiplied by 8. આ 0.24 ને આપણે 8 વડે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીશું તો કેટલો આન્સર આવશે? This 0.24 is multiplied by 8. It's a 1.92. Okay, what is the before point? It's a 1. Take it out. Then again 0.92 into 8. 0.92 into 8 is equal to 7.36. What is the before point? It's a 7. Take it out. This procedure is continue. So we have to process this step up to 2 or 3 step. આપણે એને 2 અને 3 step સુધી જ લખીશું. Okay. In this the arrow is from down to up. Here is arrow is from up to down. So what is the answer? 217. So we have to write here 217 dash 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 dash. Okay, so this way the number is to be converted into octal number. See the next example. Suppose I have a number 0.875. Okay, this 875 is to be converted into a octal number. Okay, now see here in this number there is no whole part. આ નંબરની અંદર કોઈ પણ whole part નથી. So we have to follow the procedure by multiplication only. So here is a 0.875 multiplied by 8. It's a 7.00. કેટલા આવે છે 7.00. Now make the two part. 7 plus 0.00. So what will be the answer? 7. What will be the answer? 7. Okay, now see here, this 0.0 is multiplied by 8, but it will be 0. So we have to stop at here. અહીંયા આપણે stop થઈ જવાનું છે. Okay, so see here, before point it's a 0. So what is the octal of 0? It's a 0. What is the octal of 875? It's a 7. Okay, so what is the given decimal number is 0.875 and it is to be converted into the octal. The answer is 0.7. answer કેટલો મળે છે 0.7 answer મળે છે. Now we are making the table. Suppose this is the binary number and this is the octal number. આ કયો નંબર છે octal. Okay, this is the decimal and this is the octal number. The decimal number is, we have to write here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. આ એક ડેસિમલ નંબરનું લિસ્ટ છે 0 to 16. એનું ઓક્ટલ શું થાય? તો the octal of 0 is 0, octal of 1 is 1, octal of 2 is 2, 3 is 3, 4 is 4, 5 is 5, 6 is 6, 7 is 7. Now this number is not covered into the octal. We have to use only 0 to 7. So first, what is the octal of 8? It's a 1 0. Okay, then 9, 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, 1 7. Now હવે 1 8 આપણે લખી શકતા નથી. So we have to write here 2 0. So what is the octal of 16? It's a 2 0. See here, whatever the base, suppose the octal base is a 8. So when there is a 8 number, its answer is 1 0. બરાબર, આપણે યાદ રાખવાનું છે. જેમ બાઇનરી છે, તો in a binary, what binary has a base 2. So what is the binary of 2? It's a 1 0. Same here, the octal has a base 8. So what is the octal of 8? It's a 1 0. Okay, જેમ decimal number છે, તો 1 9 પછી શું આવે 2 0. There is a 2 0. Same 1 7 is the last. Then we have to write here 2 0. એના પછી 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6, 2 7 and 2 8. બરાબર, તો આપણે આ રીતે કોઈપણ નંબરને ડેસિમલથી ઓક્ટલમાં કન્વર્ટ કરી શકીએ છીએ. Now the homework is given to you. You have to try on your own self. Okay, so the example 1, 5 5. This is to be converted into octal. Second, 7 2 3. This is to be converted into octal. Third, 0.92. This is to be converted into octal. Fourth, 5 3 4.25. This is to be converted into octal. 5 1 0 2 3. This is to be converted into octal. In this way, we are going to discuss about a decimal number to the octal. In the next lecture, we are going to discuss about decimal to hexadecimal. Before starting, what is a hexadecimal number? The meaning of the hexa is 6. Decimal, as you know, it's a 10. So total it contains 16 digits. એની પાસે કેટલા ડિજિટ છે 16 ડિજિટ છે. પણ આપણે બધા જાણીએ છીએ કે we have to ઓનલી 9 ડિજિટ. આપણી પાસે કેટલા ડિજિટ છે? 10 ડિજિટ છે, 0 to 9. સો what is about this 6? So it uses A, B, C, D, E and F. એ શેનો ઉપયોગ કરે છે? ABCDEF નો ઉપયોગ કરે છે. બરાબર. તો આ રીતે આપણે કોઈ પણ નંબરને ડેસિમલથી હેક્સાડેસિમલમાં રિપ્રેઝન્ટ કરી શકીએ છીએ, જે આપણે નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં ડિસ્કસ કરીશું. જય સ્વામિનારાયણ.